Hello, hi guys! Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. And this is Chief Omar sa Gada Channel, a faith healer, also Matarider. So ngayong umaga na to, tingnan natin ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of September 9 hanggang September 15 for the sign of Pisces. So Pisces, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices ng Spirit Guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan or hanash ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. And of course, sa mga patuloy na susubaybay, pasensya na po kayo kung ngayon lang ulit tayo makakapag-upload. That because of, nagkaroon lang tayo ng eksena lang. Charis! So, dahil sa malakas ang bunganga natin, masyado lang natin ginalingan, umpisahan na natin ang totoong eksena ng buhay na to. So, tingnan natin anong kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mahagilap. Angel Spirit Messages for the sign of Pisces. So guys, let's see. Ano ang pinakamensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay? Pasabog ha, there's the sun card. May the sun card dito. Mukhang there's a positivity talaga, no? Ang lakas ng energy and at the same time there's the emperor. Be mature enough. Antaray. Kumbaga itong bagay na to ay magbibigay sa iyo ng pasabog talaga. Kumbaga the sun and the emperor. Kumbaga kumbaga si God, no? Si God yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng pure, there's a judgment pa. My goodness, there's an eye of the, there's an eye, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na mukhang makikita mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo nakikita, na natural, no? Or ibig sabihin dito na parang, magkakaroon ka ng ideas or visions. Like I said, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, magkakaroon sa'yo ng clarity with your intuitions. Kumbaga, ibibigay to ni God sa'yo ng, kumbaga, signs or synchronicities. So, what is additional messages? Kabog ka dito, T. The sun talaga pala, ang the sun pala ni-recognize ng judgment, no? And of course, there is Six of Cups. There is a past person coming back. At the same time, there's a Queen of Wands. There's a confident with heart. Eme. And of course, there's an Eight of Pentacles. Trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. Kailangan confident ka dyan. Kailangan galingan mo dyan. No? May pasabog ka dyan about sa negosyo, hanap buhay mo. So, what is the Sun card? The Sun card represents the King of Cups. There's a devoted and supportive person, no? Kumbaga, meron talagang nakatadhana at may nakalaan talaga na para sa'yo, no? Kumbaga, itong tao na to is devoted and supportive person. At the same time, there's a Ten of Pentacles about sa long-term success and long-term investment. Pasabog. Parang pinasilip na sa'yo itong bagay na to. Kumbaga, there's a premonitions or there's a visions, daydream na daydream, night dreams, there is some intuition or spirituality involved. What is the Emperor? Okay, there is Knight of Swords. Okay, sinasabi sa dito ng listen to your intuitions. Meron ditong nananaginip ka na may hinahatid sa iyong balita or information sa iyo ang ating angel spirit, no? What is the Six of Cups? At the same time, there's a King of Pentacles being practicality. So, ibig sabihin itong tao na itong darating sa buhay mo, it's a mature person and strict, no? Pagdating sa finances. So, ngayon pa babalik siya para patunayan sa'yo na may salapi na siya. So, what is the Queen of Wands? There's the Lovers. Wow. Have a confident. Kumbaga may taong para sa'yo, no? And of course, the Lovers represent a divinity. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo talaga dito na parang yung pagmamahal, no? Confident yung confident is the key um from the success, no? Coming from the heart. So, ibig sabihin talaga kapag puso talaga ang mamamayagpag, di walang makakatalo. No? Love wins. So, what is the Eight of Pentacles? The Eight of Pentacles represent a Six of Swords. Okay. There's a Knight of Swords, sorry. There's a Knight of Swords. Knight of Wands pala to, sorry. There's a Knight of Wands. Okay, thank you. There's an Emperor. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na, kumbaga, maging mature ka pagdating sa mga decision. There's a final push, no? May mga bagay kailangan mo lang gawin. At the same time, there's a Knight of Swords dito na listen to your intuitions about sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo, no? What is the Sun card and the King of Cups? Okay, there's a Death card. There's an ending and a new beginning. Transformation is coming your way. Kumbaga, there's a sudden changes or rapid changes at the same time. Kumbaga, may pagbabago na hindi mo inaasahan. At the same time, itong tao na to is a devoted and supportive person. Kaya siguro may taong babalik, no? Kumbaga, ibibigay sa'yo ni God with maturity, no? Kumbaga, mature na siya. What is the Judgment and the Nine of Pentacles? There's a Two of Wands. There's a decision that you need to make. No, kailangan mo mag-decision, T. There's a two-path. At the same time, there's an Empress card. Okay, there's a revert, no? Some of you parang maaring may fertility or pagbubuntes or something, a new world coming, no? Ibig sabihin dito bagong buhay or may bubuksak ng bagong negosyo o hanap buhay or bagong trabaho. There's a new and unique, no? What is the Nine of the Six of Cups, the King of Swords, the King of Pentacles, sorry. The Seven of Wands. You're being protected, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na protectionan mo na yung sarili mo laban sa tao na yan about sa ex mo. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, kung hindi siya matured, things na lang. Kung hindi siya nagbago, things na lang. Sabihin mo sa kanya, I need a mature and better person. Ganon. Diba? So, ikaw ay magbibigay ng options. Kasi syempre naman, diba, siya yung nagkamali or siya yung nagkaroon ng eksena, tapos babalik siya. Kailangan, iba na siya. Hindi na siya yung dating minahal mo na sinaktan ka. Ganun. At the same time, there's a the Four of Cups, no? Evaluate, analyze, no? Kailangan i-analyze mo na mabuti about sa the lovers na to. Kumbaga, kailangan confident ka, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa kanya na, I think about it, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo muna pag-isipan. Ganon. Ano kakatawag dito? Ano ka dito, magpapabebe-bebe ka dito, kunyari, no? Huwag ka munang marupok, So, what is the Eight of Pentacles and the Knight of Swords? Okay, there's Page of Pentacles, manifestation. Now, pag nag-focus ka dyan sa negosyo, hanap buhay mo, kumbaga, now, nag-overpatig ka daw dito, ha? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mo mag-relax, at the same time, kailangan mo rin mag-retreat or mag-meditate, kasi masyado ka nang focus at masyado ka rin talagang nai-stress dyan sa trabaho o negosyo mo. At the same time, there's Seven of Cups, kumbaga marami kang options, no? And of course, there's a lot of opportunities coming in for you. So, what is additional messages? Let's see. Himay-himayin pa natin na mas mabuti at mas malinaw. What is the Sun card, the King of Cups, and the Death card? Okay, there is a Three of Cups. There's a celebration coming in for you. Itong transformation na to, itong tao na to, ay, kumbaga, ito yung pinapangarap mo. Diba? Ngayon makakamtan mo na. What is the Judgment and the Ten of Pentacles and the Two of Pentacles? There's a Chariot card, taking action. So, kailangan mo mag-decision na, kailangan mo piliin kung ano yung ways, no? Or yung pipiliin mo na kung ano yung gagawin mo or ano yung decision mo, kailangan mo na mag-decision as soon as possible. Ten of Pentacles, there's a long-term success and long-term investment, ha? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka talaga ng positive energy na magkakaroon ka ng magandang outcome. So, taking action. Kulang ka lang sa actions. What is the Emperor and the Knight of Wands? And of course, the Empress card. Okay, there's a Tower moment. There's a sudden changes, no? Kumbaga, may pagbabago dito or something na there's a destruction or disaster. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na maging mature ka, no? Kumbaga, kailangan sa bubuksan mo negosyo o trabaho, kailangan handa ka, no? Or there's a revealed. Okay, thank you. Kumbaga, there's a revealed daw na kailangan mong, kumbaga, wag self-love, wag daw pababayaan yung sarili mo, no? What is the Six of Cups, the King of Pentacles, and the Seven of Wands? Okay. There's a Five of Swords. There's a self-sabotage, no? Kailangan maging aware ka, no? Kailangan protection mo yung sarili mo. Hindi ka pwede magpala-desisyon dito. Kailangan pag-isipan mo muna. Kailangan wag mong pakita sa kanya na ang bilis mong napa-oo or ganun. Kumbaga, kailangan mo maging pabebe-bebe muna, ganun. Kumbaga, susubukan ka dito kung ano ka pa rin, easy to get ka pa rin or something na madali ka lang mapaamo, no? Ganun talaga eh, parang titignan dito kung mabilis ka ma-attract or something attachment, kumbaga pag ginawakan ka, magre-reflect ka agad, ganun, kumbaga may something kailangan na baguhin mo sa sarili mo na kailangan maging ano ka muna, no? Kumbaga strong ka muna, kailangan maging pabebe ka muna, hindi ka kagad sa ganung eksena. Kailangan hindi ka muna maging marupok. What is the Queen of Wands, the Lovers, and the Six of Cups? Ay, the Four of Cups, sorry. There's a Ten of Cups. There's a happiness. Kumbaga, pag na-evaluate mo, naayos mo tong eksena na to, magdadala sa'yo ng happiness to, ha? What is the Eight of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, the Page of Pentacles, and the Seven of Cups? Okay, there's a Knight of Wands. Slow and steady, no? Kalma-kalma lang. Have a patient. Hindi mo pwedeng madaliin ang eksena. So, what is the outcome? Outcome is the Queen of Pentacles. Practical pagdating sa finances. And the Three of Wands waiting for a result. Yun nga. Parang sinasabi dito, habaan mo yung pasensya. No? Kumbaga, patience talaga, that marunong ka mag-antay. Kumbaga, ito rin, kumbaga about sa love life, parang sinasabi dito, hindi ka pwede magpadalos-dalos, kung kailangan maging pabebe ka muna, parang takes time, no? Takes time to heal. At the same time, there's a judgment, justice, there's a balance, and of course, kumbaga may hustisya talaga dito, there's a good karma and bad karma. Depende yan sa ginawa mo. And there's the Hermit card, there's a spiritual values. Kumbaga, there's a spirituality, or some of you, baka meron ditong, kumbaga, spiritual enlightenment, magkakaroon ka ng clarity. What is additional outcome? Okay, there's the Fool card. Kumbaga, there's a new beginning coming in for you. Yung parang, magkakaroon ka ng bagong eksena. Sisilang ang panibagong bukas at panibagong buhay na nakalaan para sa'yo. Ang power of the deck is the Queen of Cups. Healing. Magkakaroon ka ng healing. Pero kailangan mo ng patience, ha? Habaan mo ang pasensya mo at habaan mo yung marunong ka mag-antay. Parang kaya habaan mo yung sarili mong mag-antay. Parang ganun. There's a Monsology. What is the Monsology? Angel Spirit Guides. Give me a Monsology. Okay. Your hard work is paying off. So, ito na yung pinaghirapan mo, no? At the same time, there's a be bold and make the first move. So, kailangan mong, parang maging transparency sa sarili mo. At syempre, kailangan mo kumilos, no? Ikaw daw yung magdadala na magpa-first move. And denial, I acknowledge my fear, but I replace it with the insight awareness. So, kailangan aware ka, ha? Alisin mo daw yung takot mo. Palitan mo daw siya ng aware. At the same time, there's a blame. Wala kang ibang sisisihin kundi sarili mo sa lahat ng mga nangyari sa buhay mo. No? So, ganun siya too. So, this is new card. And also, this is a new card, ha? I'm sorry. This is a new card from, Faritix Tarot, Third Eye. For Third Eye to, ha? Kaya pala, there's an intuition, sir. And of course, this is our new card, also from Romance Angels. Maraming salamat po. I am not sponsored, pero syempre, mag-thank you tayo sa cards. So, what is additional messages? There's a chemistry. Kumbaga may chemistry talaga kayo dito. Kaya siguro bumalik tong tao na to kasi talagang sa iyo lang niya nakita yung pagmamahal. No? The magnetic attractions love. Talaga siya, sa iyo lang siya na-attract ng bongga. And waiting for, so mag-antay ka lang. Ay, di ba? See, I told you, di ba? May pag-aantay, T. Hindi siya pwedeng madaliin. Divine timing is at work in your love life. 'Di ba? Kapag hindi pa hinog ang isang bagay, wag mo siyang pipitasin. 'Di ba? At the same time, there's an amethyst, psychic abilities and behavior patterns. So, see, there's a behavior pattern. So, nandun sa behavior mo, kung paano mo gagawin yun at paano ka magsasucess. 'Di ba? Kung ang behavior mo is parang gusto mo padalos-dalos, magmamadali ka, magkakamali ka. Pag nagmamadali ka, magkakamali ka. Ang tendency, masisira or hindi matutuloy or on something na, kumbaga, mag-change yung eksena. Ganun siya. Pag nagmamadali talaga, tinatitisod. At the same time, there's a fire, purifications. There's a transition, no? Kailangan mong baguhin at kailangan mong linisin, no? Paglilinis at pag-aalis ng mga toxins. Ay, toxins. So what is additional messages? So what is the chakra? At the same time, there's a mysticism. See? Maging misteryo ka, no? Kailangan hindi ka nila mababasa o hindi ka nila malalaan. Parang hindi nila makikita kung ano yung sa loobin mo. Kailangan ganon, no? Kasi parang kapag nakikita nila, nagiging transparency ka sa kanila. Madalas, tinatrader ka or something na niluloko ka, gano'n. Kailangan maging misteryoso ka din sa ibang tao. At the same time, there's a passion. Ipakita mo yung hilig at yun talagang gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. So, what is additional chakra? Okay. There's a discovery. Marami ka pa raw madidiscover sa buhay mo. So, what is additional messages? There's a teaching, no? Your inspire young people learn. Marami ka raw na-inspire na tao. No? At the same time, there's a trouble. Taray, may gala, may rampa, may trabaho sa ibang bansa. Ganon. Kumbaga, maraming rampa ka dito, or marami kang gala. Aha, what is the energy? And there's a community. Socialize. Friendship, kineso. And there's the indecision. Kailangan mo na magdesisyon. No? What is the love oracle card? There's a mask. Not showing the true feelings. I told you, 'di ba? Hindi mo kailangan ipakita yung nararamdaman mo, yung mga bagay-bagay. Kailangan mo munang itago yung mga 'yan kasi doon ka nila inaatake, yun yung weakness mo eh. At the same time, there's an hammer, sabotage. See, ayun yung nagiging kumbaga kumuha ka ng martilyo pupupok mo sa ulo mo. Or sinasabi dito ng rebuilding din at the same time, no? Kailangan mong buuin yung sarili mo. And there's an indecision na kailangan mo rin magdesisyon. So, what is the Archangel Michael messages? Angel Spirit Guides, what is Archangel Michael messages? Your home is protected by angels. So, pinoprotektahan naman daw ng ating Archangel Michael ang inyong tahanan. And take your time making decision. So, there's a decision making talaga, no? Takes time talaga. Takes time mo, no? Hindi mo kailangan maging padalos-dalos. Ang ganda ng reading mo, Pisces. So, talagang inaano talaga yung patience mo dito. What angels number messages? Ang galing ng energy ng ating gabay, no? Iisa lang talaga yung inaano niya. There's a 555. a major shift is about to come into your life experience and change your path, directions. Be open, stay positive. So, dapat maging optimistic ka sa mga bagay-bagay, no? Kailangan maging positive ka lang sa lahat ng bagay. At the same time, handa ka dapat sa pagbabago, no? So, what is the messages of life? Okay. Wala pa palang Jesus loving quotes. Let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Bago natin basahin yan, messages of life. Let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Okay. Blessed are they that hear the word of God and keep it. So, yung mga binibless daw, yung mga nakikinig at ang mga naniniwala sa salita ng Diyos, no? Yun daw yung kinikip nyo. At the same time, there's a behind. Today, I live my consciousness above all worldly illusions. I remember the power I have in every situations. I always have a choice in how I respond. Today, I choose to turn my thoughts towards God by confusing my awareness beyond the limitation, the illusions of the material world. I experience simplicity and peace. No, ibig sabihin dito, kumaga sinasabi diyan na yung mga nakikita mo, yung mga bagay na kumbaga wala ng specific explanations, kumbaga kailangan kumbaga nasa sa'yo yung decision, di ba? Kung maniniwala ka or hindi, kung magtitiwala ka. Sinasabi lang sa'yo dito na, kumbaga, mag-focus ka lang daw, no? Sa mga bagay-bagay sa paligid mo. At, kumbaga, huwag ka raw bumabase sa mga material na bagay. At sinasabi sa'yo dito, kumbaga, minsan talaga, mas nananaig yung pagmamahal, no? Yung kalayaan at yung tahimik, no? At hindi magulo or something na kumbaga ano siya, kumbaga yung parang sinasabi dito na kailangan yung may kakayanan ka, no? Sa mga sitwasyon na kinagagalawan mo, sa lahat ng mga desisyon mo, sa lahat ng mga nangyayari sa iyo. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na huwag kang magmadali o huwag kang maging padalos-dalos, no? Kumbaga, ipapakita sa iyo ni God kung yung mga bagay na yun ay para sa iyo, no? Kung mga bagay na yan, kung darating na, kung kailangan pang hilumin at kailangan pang baguhin, no? Si God na yung may way niya. Masaktan man tayo, masasaktan, pero yun ang decision niya ayon sa kalooban niya. So this is weekly gabay for the month of September 9 hanggang September 15 for the sign of Pisces. Maraming salamat, Pisces. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Sa mga nakarelate at hindi pa nakaka-relate, please comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course, location nyo kung asan man kayo, saan man sulok ng mundo. Para sa susunod na reading natin, buhay mo na ang ating masasagap. Maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and vavush!